definitely be more careful on the last lap.
Yeah.
Coming up to a bend on my side. Should be right up on top of this. Come to me. See it? Yep. Straight ahead.
Well, there's boulders I had to go over.
Okay. I didn't see them. Watch this dip. These ones are getting harder every time.
When we're at 2B, we're going to tell them to call to Maine and have them have some Advil for us.
Okay.
'Cause I think we could both be ready for it.
Yep. We are coming up to something of hate, whatever it was. Oh no, Sledge, sorry. What the fuck? I just saw hate. Oh yeah, the sand hill. I'll catch him when we're going down.
Yeah.
Car 320, we're coming into Sledgehammer. Car 320, we are coming into Sledgehammer. Take your time.
Right there in the middle.
No rush. This is where we calm down and fucking roll over some boulders. I think this seemed a lot longer the other day because we were caught in traffic.
Yeah.
It's going to be quick.
Is this it?
Quick and easy.
Should I be
No,
slow?
no, I think there was a little, yeah, you know what, may as well. I see enough boulders. Here, come on, let it roll. There, got it. High on my side. Go all the way over to you. Come back. Come back quick. Yep. Now that one I can't remember. Looks like we go past it and then in.
Yeah.
But I remember it was a shitty drop in. So you gotta go way, I think, as far past it as you can.
Yeah.
But don't go too high on my side. Turn into it. Turn in. And then if you have to, commit. You're good though. You're
Yeah.
good. If this is gonna bump you.
No,
There.
it's fine.
Okay. I couldn't see over there. I was just, it looked like you were gonna catch that little rocky ledge. This one here is just like a driveway.
Just like a driveway, huh?
Might want to get on that little lump on your side, just to keep away from this side. There you go. Try and come around to my side, and then try and drop in square, just to get over that boulder. Oh. Now try, now pull to me hard, hard. You'll get through it. Might have to, yep. Good job. It's nice and straight there. Up to me. Down to you. I don't think it would have mattered there either way. Pole on my side. All the way to me.
This is Sledge.
Sledge. Yep.
It is?
It is. Well, I don't know. It says we're just about there. We'll drop into that sharp canyon, remember?
That's what I was saying. I remember that as a canyon.
This was just sort of shit before it.
All right, back to high.
No, no. Right around that corner is fucking Sledge. Like, it says we're in it, so it's right around there. See? That's it. Oh, you don't have to hit stuff before we get there. We're gonna hit enough when we get there. Okay, come down. Calm down. Now just pick your line. Piece of cake. You know you're gonna be high on your side on that ledge, right? Yep. Next rock. Does not be too high. Now we're going to have to I don't remember a bunch because we drove around people. I would say stick to your side right now.
Yep.
Looks like there's lots of tire tracks over there. Yeah, looks like a little to your side and then drop in. There is a ledge. So you want to go a little more to you. Now start coming in, come in, come in, come in. Not right there. Whoa, straighten up. Now just ride it out. You're good. Now as you pass that, start coming into you. This, I guess you got to come high to me and scratch your side of the truck now.
Yeah.
Not too high now, not too high. Good there. Yep. You're good. Now all the way over to that side. Your side, your side, your side. Easy. Okay. Now start coming back to me.
This is where we went all the way deep in this turn.
Yeah.
Use his tires, a little ramp.
Yep. Now not too deep, but you're good. Now we're gonna drop off. I don't know if it's good or not. Give it a little. No. Okay, turn to me, turn to you, and back up. Okay, we're probably high center. Try and go forward. Now steer when you go forward. Yeah, we dropped in on that fucking boulder. That's what I was afraid of. Don't wreck the car. You can try a little bit of reverse, but I don't see it happening. Turn the wheel when you're doing it.
Hang on.
Oh, these fucking belts. Don't wreck the car. I'm trying to get out, but these fucking belts won't release.
Alright, well I'm just gonna...
Don't fuck it.
What you got?
I'm going to say you got to drive straight ahead again, but we're going to drop right back on it. There, keep going. Okay, now try and get on that one and this one, both. Now go, yeah, your side. Good job. Now just ride it out. Good job. Okay, I'm still in tight, so you're good.
Going down here to the right, right?
Yeah, gotta be. Snug up a little bit here. Now there is a hole, but you're gonna have to drive straight. Okay, your tires gotta go up by that little knoll sticking out of that rock and high on my side. Try and get up on them. Start going to your side, yeah, but stay high on my side too. Yep. Now come, yeah, there you are. Keep going. Good momentum. High on your side. As soon as you start going over that, then start to turn in. Yep. Okay, keep moving. Okay, drop it in on my side. Try and drop in square. And just go straight ahead and you're good. Straight down the rocks. That's good. Watch this one out. Straight. I said straight.
I'm straight.
Okay, but your tire was turned into a hole here. Your side a little bit. My side's going to drop right now. Keep it moving. Stay on the rocks if you can. A little bit to your side. Good. Now just roll it out. Your side's more. Yep. Good. Come back to me. Good job. All looks good there. I know there's another spot. Stay a little bit to your side and then come back to me. Okay, come back. All the way back. Just keep bringing it. Back up. Yep, that's it. There you go. Perfect. Go all the way wide. And around that big boulder. I didn't see any holes. Looks like we want to go wide, right?
Yeah.
That brown boulder, we want to drop inside of that, or we want to go around the outside?
I say the outside looks much
Okay.
more well worn.
It does.
Yeah, that's
Definitely does.
nasty right in there.
Just watch what I can't see that side. Make sure you don't get caught in anything. Let it drag you around. Turn in early.
I got a big drop right here.
Yep. Just commit to it. If you feel it rolling over, just give it a little bump. Okay, turn into it. Just get on this rock on your side. Yep, you're good. As soon as that comes down, you got to go over to your side of that thing a little bit. Fucking A. Good driving, brother.
Thanks.
Drop in square. Yep, right there. Now come to me. good. All the way around to me. Looks smooth. That's how you do that, fucker. That one rock is a killer. The first one, because it's right there. There's no way around it. You tell me if you're good. I see everything flat. I gotta loosen this fucking thing.
All right?
Yeah, these fucking, as soon as I get them tight, they're too tight. Okay, I'm good. Y'all good?
Yeah.
May as well leave it lower. We get right to the bottom, because I can't remember exactly what was there. Stay high on your side.
Go right into Jack, don't we?
We're not doing Jack.
Yeah, we do.
Not until the last lap.
Jack North.
Jack North and Jack are the same thing. You'll see the signs when we get down there, don't worry.
All right.
Now, we could be on the other side of this. I'm not completely sure why we're over here, but you're going to want to drop down hard to me. Either one looked not bad, but I saw lots of tracks the other way. Don't get caught up between both of these. There you go, come back. Not too far. Yep. That's it. Now wait to get down in the center and then we'll shift. Doesn't have to be a fast shift. I'll just try and pull for you.
Go ahead.
Right now?
Yep.
Should be it. Keep an eye out in case we miss something. I would say stay high. No reason not to. Didn't see any signs. You might have to drop back in. Yeah, drop back in. Someone behind us. I got no rear view. Watch what you're doing. There's boulders.
Yep.
Coming easy. Yeah, they went around.
It's fine.
See, I don't fucking know. That's okay. Next time we'll take that because it'll be dark.
Yep.
All right. Now see how we went? Drove right by it? That's the entrance right there to Jackhammer.
Okay.
Watch yourself. Next time we come around, there'll be signs.
Mr. Goo. Heading Chocolate Thunder now, right?
Yeah, we're heading over to Chocolate Thunder. Go up high, down low. Checkpoint, checkpoint. Good job. You don't got to kill it up here, but get on it. There's rocks and sand. Yep. Hard to your side. I don't remember what's over there. Can you see?
Nothing.
Can you see nothing?
Oh, I can see, but I was answering it at the same time.
All right, follow that.
Call them, tell them we're clear sledge.
What's that?
Call on the radio, tell them we're clear sledge.
Car 320, we cleared Sledgehammer. We're on our way. Yeah, Jack North and Jack will come out from over there. We're going to come up here, go over that hill. Watch the boulders. Sherry, get right in this there. She'll be back and pick going, yes, they cleared it, yes. She's always been that way.
Sure, my girls are happy with every mile we make.
That's it.